I still remember those quiet mornings at home, when the house was completely silent, and everyone was busy with their own lives. The outside world was calm too. Soft sunlight streamed through the windows, and everything felt gentle and peaceful. I would sit alone in my room, a small notebook in my hand, and countless thoughts in my mind. I had a strong desire to learn English, but fear was always there. Fear of making mistakes, fear of saying the wrong words, and fear of people laughing so. I chose silence. Every day I woke up before everyone else and sat near the window. The soft breeze brushed my face, and the faint songs of birds brought me joy. I didn't speak aloud. I didn't practice in front of anyone. I practiced quietly, just with myself. I opened my notebook, read simple sentences, and repeated them slowly and carefully. I am learning English. I am not in a hurry. I am improving every day. These sentences were small, but they brought me comfort. I focused on every word, felt every pause, and understood the meaning of each sentence. I realized that even small steps can lay the foundation for great achievements at home. There was no teacher, no classroom, no pressure, just me, my voice, and my quiet practice. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. Sometimes I felt tired. But I never stopped at night when everyone was asleep. I practiced again, the soft flicker of the lamp, the calm silence of the night, made the environment peaceful for me. I listened to simple English sentences, repeated them softly, and spoke slowly, without fear. I was not trying to sound perfect. I was just trying to feel comfortable. And slowly, very slowly, something changed. English stopped feeling scary. My voice became calmer, my mind became clearer, and my confidence started to grow. I realized that you don't need noise to learn, and you don't need to rush to improve. Consistency is what matters. Every quiet practice mattered. Every small sentence mattered. Every day at home mattered. This is my quiet English practice story. Simple, slow, and peaceful. And if you are listening right now, remember this. You can practice quietly too. Speak slowly, learn gently, and trust your journey. Your English will grow, one quiet moment at a time.